Welcome back to Cocktail Logics. My name is Keino, and today I'll be doing a Flirtini. So if you're a fan of tasty martini, this is one you'll definitely love. So let me show you how to make it.
But before we dive into the video, if you're new to the channel, or even if you've been around for a few videos, we'd be absolutely honored if you consider leaving us a like, or even subscribing and maybe a comment letting us know what you thought of the video. It really helps us out and motivates us to make more content, and if you'd like to help us out in a bigger way, consider sharing the video or the channel with a friend. But without further ado,
Got our shaker. Yeah. So today we're gonna use our Ciroc vodka. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of Ciroc. Here we got our pineapple juice. So we just did 1 ounce of pineapple also. And this is really delicious. 1 ounce pineapple. Now we need some ice, so we're gonna get it chilled. Now we're gonna shake in all the ingredients. So let's give it a 10-second shake. Alrighty. Now we need our martini. Glass. So here we got our martini glass right here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour in. Alright. Here we got our Mont Bleu champagne. So we're gonna do 5 ounces of champagne. We're gonna slowly pour. Alright. And for garnish, we're gonna use cocktail cherry. Alright. And here we have it, guys, a Flirtini.
Absolutely.